Good day, ZMK workbook users. Today, I will show you how to use the automatic single-line diagram feature of the ZMK workbook. Let's open the workbook. For this demonstration, I have already prepared a schedule of loads. Now, let's see how we can generate the automatic single-line diagram from this schedule. First, let's open this particular sheet, the SLD sheet. This is the user interface for our single-line diagram generator. The steps are very simple. We just need to click these buttons one after another, according to their numbers. So, let's get started. First, we'll click the number 1 button. As you can see, the blue indicator appears, which means that step 1 is complete. For the second step, we need to click this red cell. Here, we simply need to select the particular panel for which we want to generate the single-line diagram. For our example, I will select the panel named PB. As you can see, the blue indicator for number 2 also appears, which means that step 2 is complete. Next, we'll proceed to step 3 by clicking the Load Data button. As you can see, the load data from our PB panel board has now appeared. This data will be used and displayed in our single-line diagram later. You can also see that the workbook automatically generates a code name for each branch. These code names represent the description of each branch. We can modify these code names according to our preferences. However, please make sure to keep the descriptions short and concise so they will fit properly in the single-line diagram. After that, we'll proceed to step 4 by clicking the Load Diagram button. As you can see, the indicator has changed from blue to green, which means that our single-line diagram has been successfully generated. After this, we simply need to click the Export button and save our generated single-line diagram. Now let's try another type of panel board, the DIN rail type. We'll use the same schedule of loads, but this time we'll change the panel type to DIN rail type. Let's see what happens. We'll go back to the SLD sheet and perform the same steps. And there we have it. This is now the single-line diagram for the DIN rail type panel board. Lastly, some panel boards may need to be connected directly to a grounding rod. If the panel board is connected directly to a grounding rod, we can simply check this box. If it is not connected to a grounding rod, we can leave the box unchecked. And that's it. Once the single-line diagram has been saved in your designated folder, you can directly import it into your AutoCAD file. Please note that this single-line diagram is fully editable. After importing it into AutoCAD, simply select the imported file and type Explode. The diagram will then be converted into editable elements, allowing you to modify it according to your requirements. I hope you find this video helpful in learning how to use the automatic single-line diagram feature of the ZMK workbook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and follow our page for more ZMK workbook tutorials and updates. Thank you, and have a great day.